There are various typing jobs available online that can be done remotely. Here are a few examples. 1. Data entry. Data entry jobs involve entering data into spreadsheets, databases, or other digital formats. This could include typing information from physical documents, online forms, or audio recordings. 2. Transcription. Transcription jobs involve listening to audio or video files and typing out the spoken content accurately. These can include medical, legal, or general transcription depending on your skills and experience. 3. Content writing. Content writing jobs require creating written content for websites, blogs, articles, or other digital platforms. While writing jobs may require more than just typing skills, fast and accurate typing is a valuable asset. 4. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants often handle administrative tasks, including email management, data entry, scheduling, and correspondence. Strong typing skills are important for efficiently managing various communication and administrative tasks. 5. Captioning and subtitling. Captioning and subtitling jobs involve adding text to videos or films to provide captions or subtitles for the hearing impaired or for translation purposes. This requires good typing speed and accuracy. 6. Online surveys. Some online survey platforms may require participants to type responses to survey questions, feedback, or opinions. When searching for online typing jobs, consider using freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, as they often have a wide range of opportunities available. Additionally, you can explore job boards, online classifieds, or specific websites that specialize in typing and transcription jobs. It's important to be cautious and do thorough research before accepting any online job. Look for reviews and feedback from other freelancers, check for payment security measures, and be aware of potential scams or fraudulent job postings. Always ensure that you are working for reputable clients or platforms. Lastly, improving your typing speed and accuracy can be beneficial when pursuing online typing jobs. Practicing regularly with typing tutorials or online typing courses can help you enhance your skills and increase your efficiency. There are several websites and platforms where you can find online typing jobs. Here are a few popular ones. 1. Upwork. www.upwork.com. Upwork is a leading freelancing platform where you can find a wide range of job opportunities, including typing and data entry projects. Clients post job listings, and freelancers can submit proposals to bid on those projects. 2. Freelancer. www.freelancer.com. Freelancer is another popular freelancing platform that offers various typing jobs, including data entry, transcription, content writing, and more. Freelancers can create profiles, bid on projects, and collaborate with clients. 3. Fiverr. www.fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where freelancers can offer their services, including typing and transcription, in the form of gigs. You can create gig listings and attract clients who are in need of typing-related tasks. 4. Rev. www.rev.com. Rev is a platform that specializes in transcription and captioning services. You can apply to become a transcriptionist or a captioner, and they provide you with audio or video files to transcribe or add captions to. 5. Scribie. www.scribie.com. Scribie is a transcription service that offers freelance transcription opportunities. You can sign up as a transcriptionist, and they assign audio files for you to transcribe into text. 6. Clickworker. www.clickworker.com. Clickworker is a micro-task platform that occasionally offers typing tasks. These tasks can include data entry, form filling, and other simple typing jobs. Remember to thoroughly review each platform, read reviews, and check the terms and conditions before starting work. It's essential to protect your personal information and be cautious of potential scams. Additionally, be aware that some platforms may have specific requirements or assessments to ensure quality standards for their clients. Keep in mind that the availability of typing jobs may vary depending on your location and the demand on the platforms. It's advisable to regularly check these websites and platforms for new job postings and opportunities. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.